Hi, boys and girls. So today you will be taking your Chapter 11 math test. I'm going to go through part 1 and read all the directions and explain some questions that may be a little bit difficult. So numbers 1 through 3, it says choose the correct word. So please make sure you are using words from the word bank, okay? I'm going to read these through very quickly. So number 1 says a four-sided figure with 4 right angles and all sides of equal length is a blank, and it's one of these. Number 2, a four-sided figure with opposite sides of equal length and 4 right angles is a blank. The answer comes from here. And number 3, an angle that measures 90 degrees is called a blank, and it comes from here. This second part here where it says concepts and skills, numbers 4 and 5. Okay, I want you to pay very close attention. I'm going to get my drawing tool because I'm going to explain how I want you to do this, okay? So it says figure ABCD is a square. So A, B, C, D is a square, okay? We can see that. So what does that mean? That means that line AB is the same as line what? BC, right? Okay? And that also means that line BC is the same as, look where my mouse is going. Okay, so you're just going in order all around the square and naming the lines, okay? And now it wants us to look at the angles. So let me erase. I'm going to erase what I did here. Measure of angle A. So here's angle A, okay? Measure of angle A equals the measure of angle what? The measure of angle B, okay? I'm not going to use a text box. I'm just going to draw it in. The measure of angle B, because it's a square, so all the angles are the same and they all measure 90 degrees, okay? So measure of angle A equals measure of angle B, which equals the measure of angle, the next one that's the same, and then the last one, the measure of angle, and they all equal what, okay? Every single angle equals what in a square, and that's what you would put there, okay? Now, same thing here. Figure EFGH is a rectangle. Line EF, okay, where's EF? Line EF is right here, equals what? What is it equal to? It's the same length as what line? That's the answer that needs to go there. And then line EH is right here, okay? Equals, what is it the same as? Okay, that's what has to go there. And then the last part in part 1, because this is only part 1, identify each figure. If it is neither a square or a rectangle, write neither. Okay, so number 9, you're going to look and see, is it a square or a rectangle? And you write it here in the blank. And number 10, you're going to see if it's a square or a rectangle, and you write it in the blank. Okay, so that is part 1. I will link this video so you can listen to the directions. I'm going to go record part 2. Okay, see you in a little bit.